Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of being suddenly woken up in the middle of the night by a painful leg cramp? Or maybe you feel that sharp, tight sensation in your calf or foot during the day, stopping you in your tracks. If this sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. It's a very common issue, especially for those of us over 50. But here's the good news. You don't just have to put up with it. The solution might be as simple as what's on your plate. In today's video, we are going to dive into the top 3 foods that can naturally help prevent those agonizing leg cramps. These aren't just any foods. They are packed with the specific nutrients your muscles are crying out for. We'll explore how they work to relax your muscles, improve blood flow, and support your overall nerve function. By making a few simple tweaks to your diet, you can strengthen your legs, reduce cramping, and get back to walking, gardening, or just enjoying your day with more confidence and comfort. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to leg cramps, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand why leg cramps become more frequent as we get older. After the age of 50, our bodies go through some natural changes. We might experience a gradual loss of muscle mass, and our nerves, which send signals to our muscles, can become less efficient. Furthermore, our bodies might not absorb or retain certain essential minerals as well as they used to. These minerals, like potassium and magnesium, are the electrolytes that control muscle contractions and relaxation. When these levels are out of balance, often due to dehydration, certain medications, or simply not getting enough from our diet, our muscles can become irritable and more prone to cramping. Poor circulation is another big factor. If your leg muscles aren't getting enough oxygen-rich blood, they can protest by cramping up. So, the key is to replenish these vital nutrients and support healthy circulation, which brings us to our first cramp-fighting food. Our number 1 food for fighting leg cramps is the avocado. This incredible fruit is a true magnesium powerhouse. Why is magnesium so important? Think of it as your body's natural muscle relaxant. It plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function. When you're low on magnesium, your muscles can contract involuntarily, leading to those painful spasms. A single avocado can provide a significant portion of your daily recommended magnesium intake. But that's not all. Avocados are also rich in potassium, another key player in preventing cramps, which we'll talk more about in a moment. Plus, they contain healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Adding half an avocado to your salad, spreading it on whole grain toast, or blending it into a smoothie is a delicious and easy way to give your muscles the relaxation they need. It's a simple change that can make a huge difference in keeping cramps at bay. Moving on to our second cramp buster. Let's talk about bananas. You've probably heard that bananas are good for cramps, and there's a very good reason for that. They are one of the most well-known sources of potassium. Potassium works in partnership with sodium to maintain the fluid balance in your cells, and is absolutely essential for proper muscle contractions. When you sweat, you lose potassium, and if your levels drop too low, your muscles can become weak and start to cramp. A medium-sized banana provides a healthy dose of this vital mineral, helping to restore that electrolyte balance. They are also incredibly convenient. You can grab one as a quick snack before a walk, slice it over your morning oatmeal, or have it after some light exercise to help with muscle recovery. Beyond potassium, bananas also offer a bit of magnesium and calcium, two other minerals that support muscle health. So, making this naturally sweet and easy-to-eat fruit a regular part of your diet is a fantastic strategy for keeping your leg muscles happy and cramp-free. Our third food for preventing leg cramps might surprise you because it's not just one item, but a group: leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are what I like to call hydration heroes for your muscles, but their benefits go far beyond that. First, they are loaded with magnesium, our star muscle relaxing mineral. A single cup of cooked spinach packs a powerful punch of magnesium, but they are also rich in potassium and calcium. Calcium is another electrolyte that plays a role in muscle contractions, and getting enough is crucial. What makes leafy greens a hydration hero? They have a high water content, which helps you stay hydrated. Dehydration is one of the biggest and most common triggers for muscle cramps, because it concentrates the electrolytes in your blood and reduces blood volume, hampering circulation to your muscles. By eating water-rich foods like spinach and kale, you're not only getting essential minerals, but also contributing to your overall hydration. You can easily add them to soups, stir-fries, omelets, or blend them into a morning smoothie. They are incredibly versatile, and one of the best things you can eat for your overall health. Now that we've covered our top 3 foods, I want to share a special bonus tip. This is for those of you who are often woken up by cramps at night. Consider having a small glass of tart cherry juice about an hour before bed. Why tart cherries? They are a natural source of potassium and also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce muscle soreness and calm your system down before sleep. Some studies suggest that the natural melatonin in tart cherries can also help improve your sleep quality, which is an added bonus. Just make sure you choose 100% tart cherry juice with no added sugar. It's a simple, soothing bedtime ritual that could be the key to an uninterrupted, cramp-free night's sleep. It's about creating a relaxing routine that supports your muscles even while you rest. Try it for a week and see if you notice a difference in the frequency and intensity of your nighttime leg cramps. So, let's do a quick recap of our cramp-fighting strategy. We're focusing on bringing more magnesium, potassium, and hydration into our diet. Our top 3 foods to achieve this are avocados, the magnesium powerhouses, bananas, the potassium-rich muscle relaxers, and leafy greens, our hydration heroes that are packed with multiple minerals. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate these foods into your meals regularly, not just once in a while. And don't forget our bonus tip. A small glass of tart cherry juice before bed may help prevent those disruptive nighttime cramps. Of course, diet is one crucial piece of the puzzle. Gentle stretching, staying active to promote circulation, and drinking plenty of water throughout the day are also incredibly important. By combining these healthy habits, you're giving your body its best defense against leg cramps. You're empowering yourself to live more comfortably and actively. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to try adding these delicious foods to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on healthy aging. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried any of these foods for cramps? Let us know. Stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.